Here's another really cool function, which is the vlookup function. So if you notice up here, we have the lookup and reference category of functions. And there's the vlookup function. What does the vlookup function allow you to do? Let's say I want to look up this value right here and put in the letter right there. I don't want to have to go down and manually enter all these, but I just want it to have a table where this value gets looked up in this table, and then it gives me the corresponding letter right there. So the table needs to be sorted in ascending order from the lowest to the highest value. And once you've done that, you put the categories out to the side. So anything between 0 and 60% gets an F. Anything between 60 and 70 a D, 70 and 80 a C, 80 and 90 a B, and anything over 90 gets an A. So I come in here and let's just rewrite this vlookup function right there. I'm going to go to lookup and reference, vlookup, and which value do I want to look up? I want to look up that value. In which table do I want to look it up? There's the table. And I'm going to put dollar signs on all of those references. So as I move this formula down, the reference to that table stays the same. A quick way to put dollar signs on your references is to hit F4 on your keyboard. I hit F4 and dollar signs went in front of all my column references and all my row references. All my row references, all my column references. Here's the column index number. I'm not sure what that means, so I read the description right here. Is the column number in a table array from which the matching value should be returned. The first column of values in the table is column 1. All right, so I want the value to be returned from column 2. So I'm going to enter 2 right there. And it tells me already the value that will be returned is F. What's this last thing? If omitted, it's true, and find an exact match false. So if I want to find an exact match, just 0% or just 60%, not 61%, not 62 or 75. If I only want to match these exact values, I would put in false right there for a match. Otherwise, it just kind of does it, you know, the closest match, sorted in ascending order right there. Hit OK, gives me my F. Copy that down, and it automatically looks over to the left and says, okay, 68%, that's a D, 71%, that's a C. Let's look at an if function. I really like this function here because look at what it's done.